Hello! 924. We got a problem. When an explosion spans multiple levels, those levels, though adjacent, exist in different sectors of the memory layout. So we need to take an explosion and we need to chunk it into partitions that are isolated entirely in one discrete level. So this explosion here would need to be split up into 4 subchunks for the top left, top right, bottom left, and bottom right levels that it's striding right now. In order to do that, we're going to use a system called the HUNK system. So in the system index here, if we scroll down, we have these new HUNK systems. HUNK ring for ring-shaped explosions, HUNK laser for laser-shaped explosion, HUNK jacks, jack-shaped explosions, HUNK box, box-shaped explosions, and then HUNK hot stands for HUNK hotel, and it is a wrapper that wraps all of these. So these are partitioning functions that are dedicated to splitting up certain types of explosion shapes into subchunks that are isolated to individual levels within the level pack. In const macros by system, we've stubbed in HUNK ring right beneath mermaid. Then there's HUNK laser, HUNK jacks, HUNK box, HUNK hot. These are the constants. In data by system, same idea. Beneath mermaid, HUNK ring data, HUNK laser data, HUNK jacks data, HUNK box data, HUNK hot data. Then lastly, beneath mermaid again, the HUNK ring functions, HUNK laser functions, HUNK jacks functions, and HUNK box functions, HUNK hot functions, right? We're just stubbing everything in and getting things into place, right? Because we've added a lot of systems. If you want a longer explanation, you can go here. You've been on the Fast Code Review. My name is Kanji Coder, and I'm making a fully destructible fractal geometry side-scroller Bomberman MMO. It's basically Bomberman on steroids. We're taking mechanics from some of my favorite games. We're taking GoldenEye-style proximity mine mechanics, mixing it with Bomberman, adding a little bit of Super Meat Boy, quick respawn, and then a little bit of Tetris for some of the falling material types. Like, subscribe, and follow. My name's Kanji Coder.